Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DNR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And then in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice movement. When you consider where the price opened up on the day and then where it ultimately closed, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price definitely did make a very solid move. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at the dollar, let's see, what is that? $1.75 mark. Why is $1.75 important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $1.75. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse said, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price has a pretty drastic pullback, not saying it will, but let's say the price comes all the way down here. However, in this case, behaves like that before starting to work its way back upwards. Now, what would you have in this situation? Well, even after the big drastic pullback, you'd still have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, from the overall perspective, you still have progress being made in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves are going to do. They're going to make progress forward. And in this situation, $1.75 is what I'm quantifying as quote unquote that progress point. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm not even going to touch on those because in my opinion, breaking resistance levels is not really a huge priority right now after such a big move. Top priority now is just digesting the move and starting to chip away and go through some healthy consolidations, because as long as higher lows are built over time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on higher lows, focus on healthy consolidations, and you can just sit back and let the trend do its thing. But yeah, no doubt about it, nice move today. Let's see if the price can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.